What would you do with an extra 5 hours a week? Invest a few hours into getting started with SLP Toolkit and save yourself days of work during the school year. Setting up consists of 3 simple steps. Import your caseload of students, copy and paste in your students' goals, and add your schedule. By completing these steps, you'll gain the power to quickly collect session data, streamline Medicaid billing to a matter of minutes, access professionally designed ready-to-go reports, and write the best IEPs of your career. So why wait? Reclaim your time by investing in SLP Toolkit today.